Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Motorola smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and choose System section. Now tap on Languages and Input at the top, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now you need to access Theme section over here. Scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. Then click on the best keyboard for you. Manage key borders by tapping on this sweater. And finally save your keyboard by selecting Apply. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go back into exactly the same settings, swipe up and tap on this plus icon under my themes in order to customize it. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can find it over here, select those two lines at the top left corner and tap on one of those sources, in my case Downloads. Now tap on the photo, maybe this one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Now adjust brightness of your keyboard by swiping left or right, click on Done, and manage key borders. Then select Apply. In order to edit your keyboard, click on it, tap on this pen icon over here, and make your changes. Remember to select Apply again. In order to get rid of your keyboard, click on it and tap on this pin icon. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard again, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!